All right, hey guys, what's going on? Good evening. Man, do we have a lot to talk about for tomorrow's trade plan? I sent out the pictures on Discord, so we have the top half of this going all the way to 6184, and then the, goes all the way to um, what is the knife catch level down here? 59, 18, and 20. So I want to talk about tomorrow's setups and then what we basically want to see overnight. Kind of the same situation as yesterday. We kind of flagged in this area here and then almost broke out. I mean, it's kind of good that we didn't. We have, these little flags or these little, tests, these little bumps going. I mean, it wants to break out, and I'm confident even on the release of CPI that we'll hit um, one of these targets, if not both of them. And if we do sell off, then we'll sell off from there. So I mean, we're just so tightly coiled up right now. It's ridiculous. But yeah, so overnight we want to see a flagging. I mean, this will give us bullish confidence going into tomorrow. We want to flag in between this 60.99 and 60.78 level. If we do happen to break out, I mean, to me, that's a little bit bearish just because we want to base out a little bit more before we go to the upside. And so, first down is 60.86. A possible trade tomorrow. I listed three of them. And first one we want to see, I don't know, this is probably a low chance. I mean, it could. I don't know. You know, it's just a trade for thought. But we want to flush um, 80, 78, flush 278, and then recover 85. So I mean, it looks something like this. So it'd be just bouncing around here, and then once it tags 85, I mean, we want to recover it first, right? And then a good bid would be 87 or so, and then that might most likely goes to 109, which is the shelf resistance test, and then up to 126, which is the range resistant test of this entire zone that we're in. So that's number one. And then 60 78 is the next support down. Well, that's the bid, off of the flush of 85 to 78. Um, and then really, there's two bull cases overnight. The bulls don't want to lose this magnet zone of 66 to 70. It's a key pivot point. If we do lose this, we most likely go to 20. So I mean, there's a strong case to 20, but we do have a possible failed breakdown right here at the 56 level, and that's just, this is the major, um, I guess, recent low. So that's trade number two idea is possible failed breakdown here. Um, that's probably most likely on CPI release. You'd be looking for that one as a sharp, sell down, to this level here, maybe just a little bit more, maybe even to 50, and then just it get bought up real quick. At that point, I'd probably bid like 70 or so, uh, if we did see that. But below there, if we do get bearish, then we're most likely going to 20. This is the last trade. This is actually like probably the most risky trade. Is flushing to 20, well, below to 6,004, 6,000, it'd be a failed breakdown of this one right here of actually, several lows, even flushing, here. But, yeah, that'd be trade number three, but that would be like crazy. We'd see, and we've seen it before, right? Is just a massive spike down, and then recovery of 20 would be the bid right here if we saw something like that, and that would just most likely continue this pattern that we got going on the 4 hour of you know just down up down up down up down up down up down up. I mean, most likely continues that for a while until we finally decide to break out. So that is the third trade that we should be looking at for tomorrow. Um, and then I guess for shorts, shoot, if we fail that, um, we'll probably just go to new lows right here. Bear case starts, and there's not going to be any interest of longs below there. So I mean, we probably go into massive sell down um, to at least to 52. And then there is a knife catch bid down here if we do go all the way down there. So yeah, but for the bear case, I mean, on regular days, what you want to see when you're shorting, like on this one, what we'd want to see is we would want to see that big flush, and then drain all of this support shelf here, and you'd see a bounce. Depending on the bounce, it could be in the 15 minute, it could be quicker than that, and then obviously just down. So the short play would probably be like 60-15 after the bounce of, I mean, after failed breakdown of 60-20, and then we'd see this bounce, and then we'd go short, below 60-15. Now all this could happen pretty quick on CPI days, and so we just won't know till we see it in real time. I'll probably be live streaming it when it comes out, so if you guys want to check it out, it'll be real quick. I just want to see the reaction. And of course, the bullish scenario, if everything else plays out, we flag in this zone and we defend 66 and 70. We'll test this 109 area. This is a big test. I mean, these are both big tests. This is like kind of a big zone right here. This is a channel resistance of that downtrend from, I think it's December, like December, sometime in December. I'll have to check. Let's see. We can check it out real quick. So December 9th and like the 11th, those highs, we've been pretty consistent. We've been forming this ginormous channel. Almost looks like a giant bear flag. We've popped above it. Anytime we go above it, we just go down. We collapse. We've poked above it here. So, and then we sold off right here recently, a couple days ago, or that was last Friday. So, yeah, we got big tests coming up on this tomorrow, but this could clear really easily tomorrow on CPI. If it does, we're off to the races. So I put right here 61.27. It's really 26. So this clears, we'll shoot up to 60.48 pretty quickly. And then finally, got the all-time highs, which honestly, it's not even that far away from where we're at right now. We're at, let's see, 94 and all times high. It's not even 100 points away, so I mean it's very doable. That's only 1.5% gain. We've done that plenty. So, but yeah, the W didn't work quite as good. The only thing that does scare me a little bit is we've seen this in the past where we got this bullish formation, this W. I just don't like that. It's kind of like, I mean, it's good, but we don't want to see that. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking tomorrow. That's the trade plan. It's pretty solid. CPI, we don't really know what's gonna happen. But I mean, this is some pretty good guidance. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Yeah, and then this is exclusively for you guys. I'm not posting this on YouTube. This is a lot of information and stuff, and kind of really detailed. Um, yeah, so I thought it brings some value to you guys. And yeah, other than that, y'all have a great evening. We'll see how it works. Again, I'll be in the live streaming in the morning and then just watching to see how this plays out. All right, see ya.